What's the best thing about Texas? Granny's house?
Yeah.
Nani's house?
Yeah.
Which one's better? You don't know? What's the best thing about Texas?
Being able to go outside without freezing your butt off.
What's the best thing about Texas?
That I can wear my black jacket and look cool. Wait.
You can do that in a different state, and you wouldn't be soaking hot.
Wait, feel me?
Oh,
Glasses put on.
God. You need to quit watching Grease in your sleep.
No.
Gru, can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you sing me a song? No? No song today?
My hands are Granny's at Grandma's house.
Oh. Okay. Say I love you.
Granny's at Grandma's house.
Yeah, I know. What does your shirt say, Lacey?
My dad is like #goals. That's what it says.
Yeah. What's the goal?
To be awesome and having you stop firing me for stuff I didn't do.
You're fired.